Today, I want to show you how to make Lego robot dog thing. You need one of these thinking carrots. You need one of these. One of these. One of these. 4 of these. And 1 of these. Let's build. See this piece right here? Put them each side, like on this side. 1 side. 2 side. 3 side. 4th side. Then with the 2x2 piece, you put it right here. Then with this, you put this on right here. So that's how you make what the thing. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Nope, I don't have much. Come on,
Finish. Sophie, finish.
If you're not subscribed, this cat will eat you alive.